All right, so the cut breakdown, we're gonna be doing a 2-guard with the grain. And I'm first gonna start off by picking out his hair real quick. Then I'm gonna just go through with the guard, and then we're gonna wash his hair. So usually just consult with your client. You guys don't wanna go in here and get a new client and then you're kind of just pulling on his head, but he's pretty comfortable with this, so we're just gonna focus on this top part. All right, so I'm gonna start first. We said a 2-guard, but I'm gonna play it safe. I'm gonna go in with a 3-guard first to make sure that this part around the crown is as thick as possible. So you guys have to make sure that in the back, you have to be able to locate his cowlick, which is the little swirl that people have in the back of their head. And that's the way that we're gonna start stroking with the clipper. So if you guys don't know how to find it first, I'm gonna go in with my lever open, and I'm gonna first start here where I think his crown is at right here. So I'm just gonna go down. We're gonna cut with the grain. It'll expose itself once we start cutting this down. We're going with the grain. Have the 3-guard lever open just to play it safe. Then we're gonna work our way down to the 2.5. I just wanted to make sure to find his lips first. And we're gonna wash his head real quick. Closing the lever here. Now I'm using a 2.5, but I'm keeping this area with the 3. And we're gonna work our way down. All right guys, so we're gonna be doing a bald fade with no hooks. We'll first start with the clipper right here, lever closed. Look at our client here from the front. His temple area is right here, his temple peak. Create our first line right here. Make sure it's even on both sides. We'll replicate the same thing on this side. Now we want to locate the occipital bone. It's going to be in the back of the head and kind of feel it's about right here. So since we are doing a bald fade and we're kind of going a little bit higher because we're not including the C-cups, I'm going to take it about a finger from this point right here. So this is it right here. I'm going to go about a finger, turn on my clipper and just create our other reference point there. And once we have that, then we can connect this line to this line in the back. Now with the 1.5, we're gonna start the foundation of our fade. So we're just gonna be setting guidelines before we blend them. I'm gonna go up about 2 fingers here with the 1.5 guard closed. Just flick up. This is gonna make it easier for us to set guidelines and to blend them. Grab the 3-guard, I'm gonna go up and make another guideline on top of the 1.5. So we have the 1.5 right here, the 3 on top, and then we went down with the grain with a 2-guard lever open. Now I'm gonna open up the lever, go about a finger here. So if that 1.5 was 2 fingers, this lever open is a finger's width. All right, so now that we have our guidelines set, I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of this bulk real quick. Still using a clipper. All right, so we're gonna start blending out the lines real quick with the open to closed lever method. And we're just gonna work from here, the top of the ear to the temple. We haven't balded anything out. We haven't used a trimmer, nothing. We're just working with 0 clipper. Let's start real quick. Stretch your skin. Now I'm gonna just work on the temple to the top of the ear and put it in the middle. Go almost all the way closed, just a quarter closed. Close it now all the way. We'll repeat the process in the back. Middle. So now that we've finished blending that bottom line, we'll close the lever here. We're gonna do close to open. We're gonna soften that line right there and then clean it up with the half guard. It's already almost fully blending out without me even using the half guard, but we're still gonna use it anyways. Now we see this whole line right here. It's not as apparent here because it's a lot softer on this side, but it does get more grainy on this side over here. Close lever to open. You guys have to be very careful you guys don't go all the way up. See, that side is already blended. But as we go to the back side over here, it's a lot denser. Let's start with the lip closed. I hear it cut a little bit, and I go midway. I'm gonna open it all the way now. I like these clippers just because you can really hear the hair cut. If it doesn't cut here at the bottom, I open it a little bit and I go up until it starts cutting. Now we have to work on this line right here. What I'm gonna do before, I'm gonna attach my 1.5 guard again, and I'm just gonna gently flick up here. Gently. Two guard lever open now. Trying to graze up on top, one finger. And then close it. Now with the 1.5 lever open, we're gonna work our way down from that one finger that we just set with the 2 guard lever open. So now we're gonna go in with our trimmer. Gotta remember how high we went up with the 0. So it's here, down over here. So we're gonna split that line in half, and I'm just gonna flick up like this. And everything below that, I'm gonna shave. You guys can be patient and just work on one zone of the head. So I can work here, put the trimmer upside down here, and make it easier for our shaver to go in and not create a hard line. So to begin our lineup really quick, we're gonna go about 2 passes with this. We're just gonna create a little rough draft. We're gonna go through it again and apply some product and comb everything out as well. So first, as we can see, there's a huge cowlick right here. Let's not worry about that. Let's just comb the hair in the way that it's growing. Pull this up, you see it's natural. Lineup is right there. So we're gonna comb everything down, all the bangs. You guys can see the hair is gonna naturally just fall to the side like that. We don't wanna overly extend these bangs here because it's still gonna go up like this in that direction. it.